Calendly schedule appointment tutorial. How to use Calendly to schedule appointments. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on Calendly, how you can schedule appointments with Calendly and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to calendly.com and you will land right here. Calendly is a scheduling platform that allows you to eliminate the hassle of back and forth emailing and more. You will be able to actually create meetings on Calendly. You will be able to embed it in your websites for an appointment booking website, and you can actually do a lot with it. So how to get started with Calendly? You have to just enter your email address right here, click on sign up, and you will be able to get your own dashboard. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Calendly, this is where you will get. This is our Calendly dashboard, you can see, and I'll show you how to create an event on Calendly, how you can select, add your availability and more. So you can see in Calendly dashboard, we have event types, we have scheduled events for closed and running firms. We have this create button here that allows me to create a new event, create a one-off meeting or a meeting poll as well. So at the top, we have availability and integration. So the first thing that you need to do on Calendly is set up your availability, when you will be available. So here we can select and create a schedule for ourselves. I'm going to create a new schedule to show you. Let's create a new schedule for our working hours. So you're going to give it a name. Click on create and it will be created right here. Now you can see I have a new schedule. First, I can select a time zone here. And then I can also select different events and I can add them here. So we can select the time. We have days here. You can see we have from Monday till Saturday here. So we have like Sunday and Saturday unavailable. But if I want to make them available, I can. But we do work like this. We do not have Sunday and Saturday available. So I'm just going to keep them this way. We have Monday till Friday. Perfect. Now the timing is added right here. I need to customize the time. So how you do that, you're gonna actually select here. Let's say our timing is actually from 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. because it's an online website, so we are available from 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. So this is my timing for Monday and this is my timing for my other days as well. So what I can do is I can actually click on copy and then paste it on other times. So I'm going to paste it to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and click on apply. Let's say one day has another timing. Let's say on Friday, we are available till like maybe 5 p.m. Then I can select the time here. We can also click on this plus button and add another interval. Let's say that you have a break and then you have like 2 intervals that you can add here. So once your availability is set, your schedule is made, you're good to go. Now I can create an event and I'll select this schedule in that. So let's get back to our home, click on create, and let's create a one-off meeting. So you can see we have to enter a time zone here first. Then we're going to select the one-off meeting duration. So this is going to be a 1-hour meeting and we can also select a custom time. So in my working hours, we can select the schedule. So this is where I'm going to select the schedule that we just created. So here we have our schedule ready. I'm going to select the time. So we have it here till Friday here. Click on next and now we will be able to create a meeting and we will add the meeting details. So this is the meeting summary. We have a 60-minute meeting here and then we have a one-off meeting. This is the type of event. This is the type of meeting. And then we can select a location. So with Calendly, this is actually pretty impressive. We can select any location here. You can actually add in-person meeting location. Of course, you will be able to add the address and the place, but we can also add some virtual sources for the meeting. For instance, we have Zoom, we have Google Meet, we have WebEx, we have Microsoft Teams, GoToMeeting, Ask Invitee, and others. So let's say I am holding this meeting on Google Meet. So I'm just going to select this app here and I will also kind of like add my Google Meet here. I will log in and my conference will be created here. We can also add details such as the agenda for the meeting. This is going to be like a description. Click on publish a meeting and it will be published right here on Calendly. So now I have a meeting ready that I just created with Calendly. This is my link right here. I'm going to copy the link and share it with my team members and whatever we want to share it with. So we will share the link. We can also click on create and we can create an event. Create a new template for your regularly scheduled events. So here I will be able to create a template so that I don't have to create, a meeting every day. So in event, we have different types of meeting. If you think we can only create one-on-one meeting, well, that's not true. We can also create group meetings, we can create collective meetings, and we can also create a round robin. So these are the different types of meetings that we can schedule with Calendly, and I'll be able to create appointments with my clients very easily. We can also add Calendly to our websites. You can add Calendly to your Wix, to your WordPress. How to do that? You can actually go to the integration section right here, and we can integrate Calendly with a lot of different apps. That's what actually makes Calendly stand out. So this is our integration center, and you can see we can add Calendly. We can integrate Calendly with Outlook. We have Gmail, we have Google Meet, Google Calendar, HubSpot, Mailchimp. We have Salesforce, we have Slack, we have Squarespace, Stripe, WordPress, Wix, WebEx, Zapier. So this is pretty impressive. And we can embed Calendly to these websites as well. When it comes to Calendly account, you will have your admin management right here. We have share your link here, apps, billing, and account settings. With Calendly, we can not only create events, we can also schedule events, of course. So if you do not want to create an event right now, then you can schedule it for later, and you will also be able to find it right here in upcoming, pending, past, and date range. Then we have workflows. So with Calendly, we can save time. With the workflows, we will be able to automate our work. We can create events and then add automations into it so that one event finishes and the other one is triggered. So that's how we create automations. This one is actually available in the upgraded plan. And then we have the routing forms as well. Again, this will help me get the intakes, the questions, because when we are actually scheduling a meeting, we are holding a meeting, there are sometimes questions being asked. There are sometimes the agendas that need to be discussed. There are different polls. So with this routing form, we will be able to add these forms into our meetings. And this is also available in the upgraded plan. So that brings us to the pricing of Calendly. So let me show you so that you will have a better idea. I'm going to switch to the annual pricing here so that you will be able to save up to 20%. With Calendly, we have a basic plan, which is going to be always free. So this is a free plan. It's available. Then we have an essentials for $8 per seat per month. You can see when you need powerful scheduling automation. So the automation is available here. Then we have a professional for $12 per seat per month, and this is for customization, integration, and basic team features. Then we have teams for $16 per seat per month when your team needs to align on a scheduling process and collaborate efficiently. And then we also have a enterprise for custom pricing and custom features. So this is what the pricing plan for Calendly, and we will be able to see a lot of different features here. You can choose the plan of your choice, and you will be able to use Calendly and create events just like I did. It's actually really easy, and once an event is created, you can just select it, turn it on, turn it off, copy the link anytime. You will be able to do the settings as well. Click here, we have add eternal note, clone, delete, all the options available. So it's actually a very easy to use scheduling platform that you should definitely check out. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to use Calendly scheduling software. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.